Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Your spoken word.
Yes.
Freestyle or...
You on freestyle right now?
You know I was going to ask you. That's how we're going to close out, right? We were going to close out with a little freestyle. I'm just wondering, do you freestyle?
I got you.
Okay, well, let's give the audience a little something.
So this is one of the first pieces of poetry that I did in an arena setting.
Okay.
So it goes a little something like this. When I turn on the TV, they telling us what we can't be. Well, I'm telling you what we can be. We can be messengers of the free, love each other and still disagree, cause love is the key. I'm on my Frankie Beverly, so before I let go, I wanna give you something for your soul. I drop jewels in the ocean, metaphor and motion. My elements are earth, wind, and fire. I've got devotion. Purpose is my promotion. My grandmother Gracie touched me through the heavens. She said, grandson, you chosen. On the mothership we landed. My P-Funk expanded to another planet. They forced me right, but I played it left-handed like Hendrix. I spread this throughout the universe. Sometimes you gotta be the first, but never the last. This is my master class for the soulful ones. Peace to the purple one. Like when the moon comes between the sun, my soul becomes ecliptic. There's a natural mystic flowing through the air. I cast my pearls inside my prayers. I choose hope, not despair. Look around, it's beauty everywhere. I must say, be grateful for every day, for breath is moving. We are the breath of the movement, searching for what's real. Keep on pushing, like Curtis Mayfield. I never thought talking to each other would be something we feared, but connection is ideal so we can heal and learn from one another.
All right.
Listen to each other. Wise up and choose peace, see joy increase. Kids dancing in the street with books to read and healthy meals to eat. Style your smile and make it last a while. When it starts within, hug someone and see your spirit shine again. I was born to spread the gospel. From Morocco to Chicago, in my ancestors I follow. Poetry is my ensemble. In this novel, we will prosper in each other. We will foster the light we carry. So when you count all the tallies, rock all the rallies, from the mountain to the valley, we are the human family. Peace.
Oh boy, what a powerful message of hope.
Thank you.
What a powerful message of unity and hope. And this just comes from the top of your head.
That's right. Yeah.
So you have found your calling, young man.
Yes.
And I am so very proud of you. And I'm positive that my Strictly Education audience equally as proud of you.
Thank
You're an
you so
amazing
much.